Welcome back once again. McPhail Chiropractic in Somerville with me right now, Dr. Drew McPhail. And we've talked a little bit about this in the past, but the MLS cold laser is really state of the art. You're about the only one in the low country, if not the only one in the state, that has this machine right now. Tell us about this.
Yeah, there's two in the state. There's one in Greenville. It's patented for it's a high-powered laser that does not produce heat. Now, what it does physiologically, it helps give the cells the energy that they need so they can actually heal. Okay, with Mrs. Jones right here, what we're doing is, okay, we got herniated disc disease.
Pain in the lower back.
Pain in the lower back, radiating pain down the legs.
And you've determined what is causing this pain?
Yes. And then after we've done spinal decompression, if they're a decompression candidate, we can bring them over here. And what this does is basically stimulate the healing response. It gets rid of inflammation. It causes cellular respiration, which gets inflammation out of there really quickly, which helps decompress the nerves as well, which makes patients feel a lot better. It also helps to calm down the pain fibers. Okay, if you have nerves that detect pain or send pain messages to your brain, and they become inflamed. So by calming them down, we're able to really calm the pain down really quickly and stimulate that healing response so the patient can actually get better.
And she's very relaxed. She's very calm with this. She's actually feeling nothing except just relaxing, and she's probably taking a little nap right now. But this laser is a cold laser. If you feel anything, it's just a little bit of coolness, and that's it.
That's it.
No pain whatsoever?
No pain at all for the patients. A lot of times patients will fall asleep. Treatment time's roughly 10 minutes. It depends on the individual, anywhere from about 8 to 12 minutes, but generally it's about 10 minutes.
And sometimes it may, depending on the patient, depending on the severity of the pain and where it's located, it may be needed of several treatments.
Yes, yeah, we use the healing response on a cell can be anywhere from 30 to 60 days. So we need to make sure and give it the best opportunity to heal, so that in turn they actually get better.
So Ms. Jones has been on the decompression that you were talking about earlier, where the pressure has been relieved from the spine, but now there needs to be an additional healing process, and that's what the cold laser is doing there.
Yeah, as high energy photons go into the cell, it stimulates the power plant, which is the mitochondria of the cell, and by doing that, it gives it the energy that it needs so that it actually can heal. Okay, we also use it on degenerative knees, as well as degenerative hips, shoulders,
elbows,
cervical spine, elbows, lateral epicondylitis or tennis elbow.
I remember when you used that on my right knee a couple of months ago, and immediately I felt what I need to do is come up here more often to get a little bit more treatments, because it's been banged up a little bit over the years. But I noticed immediately right away that it did feel better.
Just in one treatment.
Yeah, and that's amazing. You also have a free seminar coming up tomorrow. Tell us about that seminar, because it's going to allow people to understand what you're doing here above and beyond other chiropractic facilities.
Okay, tomorrow at 3 o'clock, we're going to be going over the DRS protocol and revolutionary treatment for chronic neck, back, herniated disc, failed back syndrome, patients who've had surgery and are still in pain. Basically go over what the causes of that pain are and how we can effectively manage it without surgery and without injections.
And when is that free seminar?
It's at 3 o'clock, and it's here at my clinic. It's completely free.
And what is the exact address here?
1709 Old Trolley Road.
Right here in Somerville. Dr. McPhail, always a pleasure, and I know Ms. Jones is going to feel so much better when she gets up. She's been to different machines that you have here, and again, folks, I've been to a number of chiropractic facilities in the low country, and this is tops. I've never seen the machinery that you have here. The folks are very relaxed, and they're getting healed on a day-to-day basis.
Well, thank you, Tom.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Always a pleasure. Now we're going to go to a little break, and we'll be back right after this.